Today is October 27th, and this is the progress on our hostas. We are coming up to the winter season, and I've decided to let these winter in the pot rather than plant them this year. So the idea is to wait until first frost, and we're already getting down to single-digit temperatures in the evenings and overnight. And once first frost occurs, it should stimulate them into the hibernation period or dormant period during the winter, when we'll move it into our unheated garage for the winter and just keep it watered once a month, and then put it back out in the spring, and they should regrow. Today is November 5th, and I'm starting to chop away at the hostas here. You can see that they're starting to turn, so it's time to get those trimmed back for the winter. And we've had a couple of frosts and below zero temperatures. This one hasn't turned too much, but I'm going to be moving into the garage still within the next few days. 13th, and I've brought the pot into the garage where it's going to winter, and I'll keep it watered about once a month, and we'll see if it comes back again in the spring. So thank you for watching this update of our hosta journey. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.